Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locking the measurement system. Open the units dialog and choose decimal or architectural depending on your project. Set precision and insertion scale to mm or inch. Once done, confirm the drawing units match your reference files and external blocks. If you have old custom scales, run scale-listed to clean excess entries so AutoCAD's scale behavior stays predictable. Make sure object snap and coordinate display reflect the new units. This avoids confusion when you begin scaling or measuring. You now adjust existing objects to match the units. First, measure a known line with measuregeom or dist to get the actual length. Then compute the scale factor, desired length divided by actual length. Use scale with a picked base point or a line for multi-point scaling. Enter the numeric scale factor when prompted. For 2D plans, ensure uniform scaling and lock x/y to avoid distortion. After scaling, remeasure critical dimensions to confirm accuracy and update any annotative objects to reflect the change. You finish by aligning annotations and dimensions to the new measurement system. Open DimStyle to set measurement units, precision, and scale factor. Update or create an annotative text style and set annotative objects to the active scale. Once done, switch between scales to verify labels, leaders, and hatch patterns behave correctly. If things look off, check annotation scale visibility and block insertion units first. Most errors come from mismatched units or non-annotative blocks. If needed, purge and reinsert corrected blocks to resolve stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.